Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 4th January current affairs. Myself, Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, banana grit. Here, what is the meaning of banana grit? What are the healthy tips or what are the healthy health benefits from this banana grit? Why CSIR came up with this new product, that is banana grit? Here banana grit, Changali Kodan, Nendran banana are famously known as Changali Kodan, is a banana variety originated and cultivated in Chanjkodu village of Thrissur district in Kerala. Thrissur district of in Kerala. Here, the concept was introduced to utilize the presence of resistant starch, resistant starch in bananas, which is reported to improve gut health. Right side, you can see the picture of banana grit. It look like say granules. If you use this banana grit, we may utilize the presence of resistant starch in bananas, which is produced to improve the gut health. That's why this banana grit is very important. Next one, Pong Dam. Why Pong Dam is in news? Why? Because more than 1400 migratory birds were found dead. Over more than 1400 migratory birds were found dead recently due to an unexplained cause in the Pangdam area of Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh. This Pangdam is very important. Why? Because it is a bird sanctuary. Here the Pangdam is also known as the Bias Dam. The Pang Dam is also known as the Bias Dam. Here, the lake created by dam Maharana Pratap Sagar is renowned bird sanctuary. It is a bird sanctuary. The purpose of the dam is water storage for irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. It is this dam purpose is storage of for irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. Now the samples of this birds sent to Bhopal, that is highest security animal bird sanctuary located in Bhopal. Next one, tampon tax. It is very important and very important to know that this tax. How many countries abolished or eliminated this tax up to now? Why it is a news in recent today or in recent days? Here the UK, United Kingdom, began 2021 by abolishing a 5% value added tax on women's sanitary products, often referred to tampon tax, and which is many activities have had described as a sexist. Had described as a sexist. It now this UK now joins the list of countries which have already eliminated this tax, which includes India, Australia, and Canada, and the fourth one UK has eliminated this tampon tax. Here, the measure is a part of wider UK government effort called end period poverty. End period poverty. Here, one more bonus point, that is Scotland is the country which given free all these sanitary products at a cost of free only, that is Scotland. Next one, Kochi Mangaluru natural gas pipeline. Here our Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate the Kochi Mangaluru national natural gas pipeline to the nation. He will dedicate the Kochi Mangalore natural gas pipeline to the nation. Here, the event marks an important milestone towards the creation of one nation, one gas grid. Here, if you see the silent features are characteristics, important characteristics of this Kochi Mangalore natural gas pipeline. That is, it is a 444-kilometer pipeline launched in 2009. Project cost is around 5,750 crores. Here it is a formal commissioning letter Main junction is Kutnad. Line bifurcates at Kutnad to Mangalore and Bangalore. Gas demanded expected to 80 to 90 million cubic meters per annum. Tax gain at the 1000 crores. Here from this Kochi Mangaluru natural gas pipeline, 8 districts will benefit from this one. This is energy boost. Next one, UPSC Prelims 2020. Today we will discuss 65th question. Which one of the following statements best describe the term social cost of the carbon? First of all, we will see the options, then we will discuss in a simpler words. Here a long term damage done by ton of CO2 emissions in a given year, requirement of fossil fuels for a country to provide goods and services to its citizens based on the burning of those fuels, efforts put in by a climate refugee to adapt to live in a new place, contribution of individual person to carbon footprint on the planet earth. Here right side you can see the cartoon, then you can understand. Here the carbon tax, it's like a turd in a swimming pool. Here most the main country which is giving more social cost of carbon, that is, in a simpler words, suppose a country is emitting more CO2 emissions, then it has to lose that amount of economy. Here India is the one country which emitting the CO2 emissions more. That's why we'll put A as the correct option. The long term damage done by a ton of CO2 emissions in a given year. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.